Take tea.
Alice, I don't want water. I need to eat real food. I'm very hungry.
No, I know. Wait, calm down. I know you're hungry, eh? But you can't eat it here. Yes, we can't. You know your husband knows my house. And he's definitely going to come looking for you. So we do not have the time. You know what? Let's go. I'll get you food on the way.
We should leave?
Yes!
Why can't I just shower and change into something else?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Stand up. We don't have that time. Oh, come. Don't. Sorry, eh? Be careful. Sorry.
Oh, babe. It's like we lost them.
Yes. We lost them at the junction.
Okay, fine. I have to stop here. I have to go back and take care of my family.
Alice, I'm sorry for dragging you into my mess.
Please stop. Don't say that. I'm sorry I pushed you into this. I am really, really sorry. I never knew it's going to be like this. No worry. There's some money in my bag. Please, take out of it and take care of yourself. When you settle down, please call me. Okay. Come on, let me drop me.
Hello, babe.
You know you're one hell of a driver. But it's alright. You can actually switch to a video call and see what we're capable of.
Please. Please, don't touch my family. I beg you, don't. I beg.
Did you see that? Of course you know what I want. Give her to me and I will spare your family. Yes, I don't want to repeat myself again. There are rules to my questions. If you lie to me one time, I'll take one of them. So be very careful. Be very, very careful when you answer my questions. Can you hear me? So think before you talk. Think before you answer my questions.
I don't know. I don't know our whereabouts. Please don't touch them. I don't know our whereabouts. I swear.
Wrong answer. Kill this man.
No! No!
Did you see that? Did you see that? Good. Let's try again. Do you think I am playing with you? I don't play. I don't play! So where is she?
No, I'm telling you the truth. I don't know her whereabouts.
Kill them all!
Wait! I can find her! I can find her!
You can find her. Good. So tell me, how do you want to do that?
She's in my car. There's GPS in my car. The GPS tracker. You can use my phone and tracker.
That's a nice one. Thanks for cooperating, all right? So, listen to me. I want you to hurry back here. And as you're coming, just walk straight to this place. Do not contact the police. I swear to God, do not contact the police because I'll waste everybody here. All of them. That's if you want to see your family again. It is a promise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, step aside! You wasted my time.
I'm sorry.
You really stressed me today. Where's the phone? Give it to me. Where's the phone? Give it to me.
Did you get her?
The car is parked at a certain restaurant. Now listen. I don't want to make these children orphans. So if you know what is good for you, stay clear. Stay clear of Priscilla.
Yes, sir.
That lady is a timing bomb waiting to explode. Do you get it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Move.
Have you found her? Do not come back to this house, else I will have your head.
Guys, let's go. Come!
Who are you and why are you helping me?
Let's just say I don't want them to catch you. The man they works for is my worst enemy. His name is Clifford Dodgy. Anything that will make him suffer gives me joy.
He's my husband and he wants me dead.
Clifford Dodgy wants his wife dead.
Yes. He has been after me with his men for months now.
Don't worry. I'm taking you to a woman I serve, my madam. She's going to protect you.
And who is this woman you serve? Is she his enemy too?
You must be hydrated. Have this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You are happy now, right? Are you not happy now? Oh, calm down. Calm down what? Calm down what? That revenge that you selfishly prayed for has now cost Andrew's life. Andrew is dead now. Tell me, what are you going to do about it? What are you going to do now? I want you to let the sleeping dog lie that you can't fight him, but you won't listen. Now look at it. Andrew is dead. Maxwell. Maxwell! Don't you ever in your life call me for anything again. Hi. Andrew. Andrew is gone. Andrew is gone, Maxwell. Hi, Maxwell.
James, what's going on? What are you doing with a pregnant woman?
She's Clifford Dodgy's wife.
Shit, how did I miss this?
You miss what?
Let her in. Lady X has long awaited to see her.
Okay,
All right, come in.
let's go. Don't worry, yeah? Okay?
Kate, please go tell Lady X that James has found the orgy seed she has been looking for.
What is she talking about? Who is she and why did you bring me here?
Look, I told you to relax. I was taking you to a place where you will be safe. So,
Okay, Mom.
with the Sharon.
Are you Clifford Orji's wife?
Yes, I am. And you are?
Your savior? Or better still, you call me Lady X. Clifford Orji stole something from me. And I'm going to deny him the pleasure of being a father.
Lady Sharon, she told me that Clifford Orji wants her dead. That's why she escaped from the house. I saw her on the road when his useless men were trying to capture her.
Your husband wants you.
Yes, Mom.
That's strange. Kate.
Yes, dear, yes.
Take her to a room, give her food, and let her be refreshed.
Yes, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Let the X off. 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 She is big, she is strong, she can.
Daughter of the withered land, what brings you?
I have found the orgy seed. What do I do with her?
It took you so long to decipher the riddle.
Great Ehuru, forgive my lack of understanding. But now that I've found her, what do I do next?
Nothing. You have to protect her until the child is born. Only then will you be able to cut down the great orgy tree. Because orgy is supposed to remain barren for eternity. But if the child is born, the balance of the realm of invisibility will be shattered.
I'm sorry we lost her again.
You lost her again. Do you realize what your incompetence is costing me?
I am sorry, Duke, but we are still looking for her. I promise we shall bring her back alive to you.
Do you have any lead or clue of where she might be?
What stupid question are you asking me? Listen, we must find that girl. I don't know how we are going to do it, but we must find her. We will look for her everywhere, in every corners of this city, both in the church and hotels. We must find her, and that is final.
Then you go get together. Both of you should go and look for her. While I do the needful.
It's okay. You have to stop crying and eat your food. I mean, your husband will not find you here. Lady S is a good woman and she will surely take good care of you. It's okay. Can I make use of your phone?
You want to make a call?
Yes. Thank you. Alice, I'm sorry.
Who's Alice?
Good morning. It's 5 days since you came here. I believe you're enjoying my hospitality.
I must say you are God sent, ma'am. You came into my life exactly the moment I needed you. Thank you so much for everything.
Every kindness has a reward, and I want to claim mine now.
I understand, ma'am, but I don't have anything to give, especially given my condition.
You're perfect. You are perfect in your condition. Sit.
Sit.
Lena? Give me your husband's number.
No, ma'am, you can't call him. Please, you can't call Clifford. He's going to find me and start hunting me with his men. Please don't call him.
Shut! Your husband stole my goods. Put me in pain. Put me in a precarious position. Give me that number. I don't know what to ask you.
Ma'am, please look at my condition.
I hate doing this. I hate doing this. I don't let me do it. Give her what she wants now.
Yes. Yes.
Here. It's ringing, Mom.
Who is this?
Clifford, you have my goods, and I have your wife.
Who is this?
Oh, stop acting dumb. I know you recognize my voice the moment I said you have my goods and I have your wife. Oh, you rather hear her? Oh, okay. It's now to 7 months yet. But you see, I can still hear her and destroy your charm of invisibility.
What do you want?
A trade. My goods that you stole were $225,000. And if I had done business by now, well, I'm sure it would have doubled or maybe tripled.
You know what? Get to the point and stop ranting. What do you want?
Oh, you shut your mouth. 4 million. Oh, you shut your mouth. 4 billion in cash. And I will return your pretty sacrifice.
I did prove that she's alive and with you.
Your husband wants to speak.
Hello, Clifford. They have me. They have...
I'm going to give you 3 days to get the money in cash. And I will send you the location where you will bring it. You come alone. But then you can come with your boys. But if any one of them tries anything, she dies.
Let the X out. Let the X out. Let the X out.
Did you? Where is it?
Hand me your gun.
See, I run this town. If anybody try to mess with me, it's going down low. Now me they run this town. Now my cabin, my gribo. On what you say, you go understand. I'm a town, hey. And no Nobody's gonna mess with me, else you will go down low. So get the info, 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 get the info,
Feel free. Your heart is heavy, but your tongue is tied. What do you have to say, Kate?
Thank you, Lady X, for giving me permission to speak. I want to plead on her behalf. Please, do not trade her. At least she's almost due for delivery. Trading her now will mean everything she has suffered will be in vain.
How dare you! How dare you!
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I am sorry, please. Forgive my ignorance and my stupidity.
Now get out of my sight! Get out of my sight before I skin you!
let the X out. 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 Let the X out.
I curse you days on earth.
Put this in her mouth. Put it in her mouth.
Don't touch me.
Let the X out. 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 Let
Where's my money? Open the bag. Good boy. Nina, take the bag. I'll release your wife once I leave this place. bitch. If you can run, run. He's not gonna shoot you. He needs you for his sacrifice. Being a movie star.
Cecilia, what are you? Come, let's go first. Let's go. Let's go.
What are you doing here?
Let's go. Rest here for a while before we continue. Are you hungry?
No, I'm thirsty.
Alright.
What did you go to the church to do?
I went to make confession before I confront Clifford. But God brought you to me. How did you manage to escape from that house?
It's a long story. You know what? We need to leave here. We cannot be seen in the open.
Yes, you're right.
Let's go.
Wait. Let me survey the area. Let me survey the area, okay?
Is this where you've been staying since you left the house?
Yes. I couldn't bring myself to move on. Knowing fully well that you're carrying my child, I kept my eyes on you and Clifford. Please, let's go inside. You are safe here.
Oh, he can easily find us here. This place is too close to him.
Yes. The best place to hide something is the least place people expect. Yes. Nobody will believe we are in this neighborhood. Please, let's go inside. You are safe. I promise you that.
So tired. I need to sleep.
Let's go inside.
Great Sankara. Holy Sankara. Great Sankara. Holy Sankara. Great Sankara. Holy Sankara. Reveal to me. Reveal to me. Reveal. My wife's location. Great Sankara. Reveal Priscilla's location. Boys, I am going to make this task very easy. Very easy. You see my wife, you shoot at her. Am I clear?
Yes, dude.
You see my wife, you shoot at her. The child that she's carrying in her belly must not be born. You can find her at number 13 Tundeojo Street. I want you boys to go. Do a good job. And do not disappoint me this time.
Max, where are you now?
Babe, I'm coming. I'm here.
Please be fast. You didn't get the bottle.
No.
Yeah, he is.
No,
the Almighty is.
Baby, I will shoot you out of
Baby,
here.
run!
kill me, please.
You sent for me, sir.
Yes. Inspector David.
Sir.
Prepare your boys. I am personally leading the operation to arrest Clifford Oje.
All right, sir. Permission to follow, sir.
Carry on. Let me see how he can defy the entire police force. Let me just see how it is possible. It's all going to end today.
Mr. Clifford Oje, you are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent, for whatever you say now may be used against you in the court of law. Inspector, handcuff him. Move it. It's been a long time coming. You can never escape the law. Never. Not when I am here.
The sky is blue.
Welcome. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
He's inside. He's sleeping.
Good. I brought food for you.
Thank you so much for everything. Thank you.
Don't mention.
I want to thank you for everything. I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Without you, my son wouldn't be alive today. We owe you our lives.
No. You see, you can only repay me by staying alive and taking proper care of that child. Okay? I assure you this whole place is safe for you. Until I get a place for you to stay. Okay?
Thank you so
and
much.
For now, just take care of him and make sure you contact me whenever you need anything. Okay? Moreover, I'll be coming time to time to check on you. Okay?
Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you. God bless you.
Hey! Ibra chewele fideji dari mwage. Thou powers that be, the powers from the four cardinal points of the earth. Hey! Powers that holds life. Sip life into her. Makanekbeta demeke, makanekbeta demeke, makanekbeta demeke. Animal kwada 1 million ogu. Hey, yeah. Powers that be from the four cardinal points of the earth. Yeah, powers. Sip life into her. An manu na tie chirom.